Good morning, children. Today we are going to see about the third standard maths, term 2, unit 1 numbers. Already we have finished the first term. Now we are going to see the second term. In this numbers, first we know about the multiplication. You might have already learned the tables, multiplication table. What do you mean by the multiplication? Multiplication is adding the same number to the specified number of times. Multiplication is adding the same number to a specified number of times. This is known as the multiplication, okay? Number of times. So, for example, 4 plus 4 plus 4, that is equal to 12. So, here we add 4 3 times add பண்ணுறோம். How many times we are adding the 4 3 times? So, 4 வந்து 3 times add பண்ணும்போது 4 into 3. 4 வந்து we are adding 3 times. So, 1, 2, 3. So, 4 3s are 12. So, we use multiplication symbol. We use, what symbol we are using for multiplication? We use symbol multiplication to represent the multiplication. So, இது into தான் நம்ம multiplication represent பண்ணுறோம். Okay, children. So, this is 4 times 4, 3 times is 12. Then they are given the picture. They will give the pictures and ask you to write the numbers. How to write these numbers, that I will say. So, in this, they are drawn the trees. They are given some of the trees in 5 groups. 5 boxes they are given the trees. Here, so 4 trees in each group. Four trees in each group. So this, how many groups are there totally? 5 groups. How many groups? 5 groups and 4 trees each group. So how to write this for, how to find out this for multiplication tables? So just draw, and if you are having the book, you just check out your book and see. So, 4 trees in 5 groups. So, we can say 5 groups, not the 5 boxes. You can say 5 groups. So, just like this, you can draw. So how many boxes are there? 4 boxes. So 4 trees. Each is in 5 groups. How many groups are there? 5 groups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In the 5 boxes of 5 groups, so how many trees are there? 4 trees in 5 groups. So 4 trees in 5 groups means 4 into 5. That is equal to 20. So this is the symbol to write the multiplication table. Now the next one is so this 4 5s are 20. Which one is the multiplier? Which one is the multiplicand? And which one is the product? Here this 4 is the multiplicand. We can say multiplicand. How many trees in irkilya? That is multiplicand. And this one is multiplier. How many times is there? 5 groups are there. That is the multiplier. And this is the product. This is the product. So how many trees in each group? That is multiplicand. Okay, this is multiplicand. How many groups are there? Each 5 groups. Each group of 4 trees. So that is multiplicand, and this is the multiplier, and this is the product. Okay. Now in this multiplication, we can done this in 5 ways. Multiplication of a number. Multiplication is having multiplication of a number can be followed, can be done following ways. What are the following ways? 5 ways that we can do the multiplication by following ways, done in the following ways. What is that? First one is dot multiplication. First one is dot multiplication, and next one is repeated addition. Repeated addition. Then third one is regrouping. Third one is regrouping. And fourth one is standard multiplication. Fourth one is standard multiplication. And fifth one is lattice multiplication. So, one by one we will see this following ways of doing the multiplication. Everything is inside a book only. So, better you buy a book, children, so that you can understand what are the ways and how to do this. Okay, so dot multiplication, repeated addition, regrouping, standard multiplication and lattice multiplication. Here you are going to see about the first one, dot multiplication. First one is dot multiplication. In this dot multiplication, we can add stars, horizontal ways and the horizontal rows, vertical rows and columns. Here they given the stars. So this is from page number 2. Page number 2. So here they given the sum of the stars. So I will draw this. So here they are given the horizontal rows. What is this? Horizontal. Then vertical. Then total. So what do you mean by the horizontal? Either the horizontal, that is 1 and 2. If this number lines porila, this is the horizontal. So 1 and 2, this is horizontal, and vertical is 1, 2, 3 and 4. So 4 here. So you can write 2 4s are 8. Okay, and then the next one is they are given the 3 stars. So in this also you have to count and write 3 stars in each row. Then 2 stars. So I am giving only the examples, so you can see in your book, and if it is any leftover is there, you can do it by yourself, children. So this is it. Here in the second row, how many vertical, horizontal is here? 1, 2, 3 and 4. So 4. How many vertical? 1, 2 and 3. So you put 3. So here 4 3s are 12. And then here how many horizontal is here? 3 horizontal is there. How many vertical? 2 is there. That is 3 2s are 6. This is known as the dotted multiplication. Okay, children. Now you are going to see about the repeated addition. What do you mean by the repeated addition? Repeated addition, the numbers can be added again and again. So how to do this we will see here in the repeated addition. So the next one is repeated addition. What we are going to see? Repeated addition. So in this repeated addition, They are given the sum of the flowers in the each box. In 3 boxes, they are given the flowers. So you also can draw the flowers. So 3 flowers. You just go through the book. So just like this, you can put anything on your own. So just the 3 flowers. Okay. Now, how many flowers are here? 3 flowers. How many flowers? Yeah, 1, 3, 3 and 3. So all 3 in 3 groups. How many numbers are there? 3 flowers in each groups in 3 boxes. That is 3 groups. One group la 3 flowers, another group la 3 flowers, and another group is also 3 flowers. So 3 plus 3 plus 3. How much that is? That is equal to 9. This is known as the repeated addition. Like that, here they are given the 4 leaves. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and down male 2 groups, here 2 groups. So how many leaves are there? 4 leaves are there. How many groups is there? 4 groups. So you have to write 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4. The same numbers are repeated again and again. So this is known as the repeated addition. Okay children, like that. Here the apples are there. How many plates are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. That is the groups. How many groups? 4 groups. Okay. In each group, how many apples are there? Over group, how many apples is here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here 5. Here also 5. Here also 5. So how to write this? All the numbers are here repeated. Apples are repeated. So 5 plus 5 plus 5. Even if they are given the 5 plates, you can write 5. So how many plates கொடுத்திருக்காங்க, how many apples? The numbers are repeated again and again. This is known as the repeated addition. So here 3 plus 3 is equal to 9. So you can write 3 3s are 9. And here how many 4s are there? 4 4s are there. That is equal to 16. You have to write like this. How many 5 is there? 4 5 is there. So 4 times 5. That is equal to 20. Okay children, so this is known as the repeated addition. Now the next one we are going to see is construction of tables. Okay, regrouping we are known. Now standard multiplication. So in this standard multiplication we are going to say the construction of tables. Standard multiplication. So what do you mean by standard multiplication? That is the tables. So how to do the tables? Here 2 balls are here. How many balls? 2 balls. That is equal to 2. 2 ones are 2. This is the tables. Okay. Now how many balls here? 1, 2, 3 and 4. So that is equal to 4 balls are there. 2 plus 2, that is 2 2s are 4. So here 1, 2 and 3. 1, 2 and 3. So how many is here? 3 is there. 2, 2, 2. 2 plus 2 plus 2. 2 வந்து 3 times இருக்கு. So that is equal to 2 3s are 6. Like that 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So how many balls are there? 2 times 4. That is equal to 2 4s are 8. 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. 2 4s are 8. Like that the tables will be going on. So after that 2 5s are 10. 2 6s are 12. 2 7s are 14. 2 8s are 16. 2 9s are 18. 2 tens are 20. So like this, the balls will be added. So 5 and vermouth, you draw the 5 balls, and the remaining you can do it by yourself, children. That is easy, no? You can draw it. So 2 balls. How many groups? 5 groups. So that is equal to 2 5s are 10. So you can know the 2 tables. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10. Okay, like this the 2 tables. So you all know the 2 tables. Now we are going to see the 3 tables. What you are going to see? 3 tables. So in this, okay, multiplying by 2. Already we have seen the everything we have to do. So 1, 2. So they will give the picture like this, and you have to draw the leaves. So like this, 2 leaves in each boxes. 2 leaves in each boxes they are given. So 2 leaves, yeah. Okay, so we have to regroup this. 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. That is equal to 8. How can we write this? 2 how many times is there? 4 times 2 is 2. Prida, 4 times 2 add panna namakku, that gives you 8. So how to write this? Multiplicand. How many flowers are here? 2. So how many rows are here? 4. That is multiplier. That is equal to product. So 2 is the multiplicand. Multiplicand na how many things are given in each box. That is the multiplicand. Then multiplier, how many boxes are there? Over box எத்தனை leaves இருக்கு, எத்தனை apples, எத்தனை oranges, that only is the multiplier. How many groups are there? That is the multiplicand. And what is the product? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So this is multiplicand. Multiplicand enna sonna? How many leaves are there? This is multiplier. How many boxes are there? And this is the product. Okay. And now in this they are given the box like this, activity box, they are given it like this. So in this box you can write the 2 tables. So in this, that is equal to 8. So here you can put 11 lines, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. Okay. So here into they are given and 2 they are given. So you have to write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9 and 10. So in this you have to write 2 1s are 2. Okay, 2 tables you are going to write down. 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10, 2 6s are 12, 2 7s are 14, 2 8s are 16, 2 9s are 18, 2 10s are 20. You have to complete the table like this. Next, fill in the boxes. They will be giving the fill in the boxes. So in this fill in the boxes, you have to draw 2 into 6, they will give you is equal to dash. Then 9 into 2, they will reverse the number and give. Then 3 into 2. So everything is inside the book only. So better buy the books, children. 7 into 2, 2 into 5. So they are given the dash like this. You have to memorize the tables and you have to fill these boxes. 8 into 2, dash. Then 4 into 2, dash, and 2 into 3. That is equal to dash. So now I'll write the number. So you know the already 2 tables. So 2 6 are 12. 9 2s are 18. That is 9 tables. Now you can say the 2 tables. 2 9s are 18. 3 2s are 6. 7 2s are 14. That is 2 7s are 14 and 7 2s are 14 is also the same. 2 5s are 10. 2 2s are 4. 8 2s are 16 like that. 2 8s are 16. You can reverse the table and say also the same answer only. and 4 2s are 8 and 2 3s are 6. So for these two tables they will give the picture like this. So multiplicand is the number of objects given in the each group, that is the multiplicand. 2 leaves they are given, and multiplier is the number of boxes, that is the number of groups. This is the multiplier and this is the product. So remember, this product is the answer, total answer we are given, and then the box they give the numbers, how many times you have to write the answer here, and fill in the blanks they will change and give, and you have to write this. So for all these tables, 2 tables, 3 tables, everything is under this only. So one by one we will going to see the tables children. In the next class we will see the 3 tables. Thank you.